And this is how you can create movie sequences. You can be an actor, you can be a director, and create your own movie using AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can do it for free with free credits and everything for free. Yeah, so let's get started. So first, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write, give me ideas for cinematic story trailer, 30 seconds. It can be in any niche. So you can use these ideas that ChatGPT gives you. It even explore the scenes for you, like this, the last transmission, 30 seconds trailer concept, first 5 seconds of the video. You have all these. You can actually, like, let's say I did do a multiverse superhero niche and the shatter point. So this is something, the ideas that I'm exploring. So you can do something like this. And let's do the third one. I asked it to, for the third one, echoes of power cinematic trailer concept. And see, then I asked ChatGPT, I want to create completely using AI, image to video. So first step is to break the scene into image generation prompt to generate images based on each scene, including different characters, and create cinematic scenes. I have a style in my mind. I want to create a dark tone of movie trailer, so DC Comics like. So it created me something like this: opening scene, vanishing heroes, skyline. So this is the first prompt, and then so it will, so basically you get an idea that it will generate you prompt. Or if you have any idea in your mind for your story, you can just explain it to ChatGPT and it will give you the exact prompt to create images. Now the tool that we're going to use is Hailuio AI.video. This is amazing for creating such videos that I already showed you, and see, the results are kind of amazing. You can also create images directly here. So let's create image. Let's say a man kissing women on the streets. This is the basic simple prompt, and this is enabled, so it will refine my prompt based on, now the ratio 16:9, because I'm creating it for movie. You can do 9:16, and it will cost me 4 credits. Usually you get 100 credits free for this tool, and you can easily create a lot of different styles. Now till then, I'll show you the sequences that I've created. So this is the image sequence I've created. Now the camera follows the man wearing an armor in the battlefield of wars, walks in the arena. All right, so I had given my reference of this image. You can change your image based on, make sure you have a clear face and a good lighting, so that it will capture your face detail, and the face expression should be neutral. You don't need to be smiling or creating weird expressions, because then it will pop out in the video. So now what we'll do is, I've also created this. These are some examples. The man in the suit on the red carpet posing for pictures by paparazzi. And this is, by the way, you won't get the exact result like this, so you have to be very specific with your prompt while creating this. And let me show you again. So this is kind of look weird though, the thunderstorm. The camera follows the man walking in the thunderstorm in the night, in the dark streets, heavy rain with ferocious expression. And this is, I like this one. The camera follows the man wearing an armor in the battlefield, walks in the arena. And this is kind of cool. It gives me dark vibes. So yes, these are all the scenes that we have created. So this one is also cool. For this sequence, the camera movement, you have to write camera follows a gentleman, because when you write camera follows, it will actually create this sense of panning or zooming in to the camera, right? You have to actually write what exactly. Let's see. So this, our image is ready, man kissing woman, and you can animate it. Now you can do, now we have this image, created 4 different image style, and you can download this. First of all, I'm gonna save this. without watermark. And I'm gonna save this. And now head over to create video, image to video, open your image. And now, so let's see, this is our image and we have to animate this. We can simply write the prompt. You don't have to create much things in the scene. So you can just write a man kissing, or you don't even have to write anything. Let's say I don't want to write any prompt, and it will generate, it will automatically understand what the scene is about. So now let's create subject reference. Now I did this for a different scene. A cinematic camera follows a tall queen in black fall. I'll show you how it went actually. These are some results of subject reference that I created a character. And so this is about, look at this. This even looks cool. These prompts are generated using ChatGPT, and you have to tweak it according to your preference. And now let's create the scene. I'll use the same prompt, but this time I'll add reference. I have this image, my reference, so I'll confirm, or you can just import your image here, just like this. Create your image, and then you can import that image. Confirm. The camera follows the man wearing an armor in the battlefield. Now you can explore different effects, and I'll enable, this is scene 2, and it will cost me 45 credits. So you get 100 credits for this, and it will cost you 45. Let's create. Till then, let's see if our first video is ready. No, it's not. Now then you have to create sound effects, right? So we'll go 11 labs, speech synthesis, and I've already created few audio for my sequences, like the man is walking. This is my walking scene. So I created this ambient sounds, the fire in the background, battlefield. Right, so let's create sound effects now. Now I'll go to sound effects, open 11 labs, then sound effects, and now ambient sounds of fire in the bar, or let's say ambience sound in the battlefield. Ambient sound in the battlefield, generate sound effects. It will take a while. Till then our video will be ready. So this is our video. See, every time you get different, but it still looks good. See the bar battles and bar. My face exactly morph in that video. So this is the subject reference. And now this is the generated sound. Looks cool. Again, looks cool. This is the fire and bullets firing. That's cool. So again, then you have to edit this video and effects, and that's it. You are good to go. This is how I created the scene. So if you like this video, I don't have to tell you, like, follow, comment, share, whatever, do anything, but create your own movie and explore the creativity with AI tools. And you can tag me on Web of AI. I can actually share your videos. So if you tag me, and I have many more tutorials like this on my channel. So please like, share and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.